What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just gonna look at Think About You by Ciara. So for the song, we don't have any capo for the song, and it's actually the same chord progression going throughout the whole song. I just want to show you one main lick which goes on, which is simple to play if you understand the basic rhythm over there. So I'm just gonna break that small riff into parts to make that super easy. So let's proceed further. First chord will be a which is mute, open, second, second, open. But then you have a D which is mute, mute, open, second, third, second. And then you have F sharp minor which is 2 4 4 2 2 2. You can bar chord, but I'm just going to show you an easy way to play that chord in a minute. So just practice for now. A bar chord, E major 0 2 2 1 0 0. That's basically for the chords. Let's have a look at some small music theory over there. So A major chord, never mind, let's move on to the F sharp minor chord. What you can do is for the F sharp minor chord you can just play the G string, B string and the high E string second frets. D major is this one, 0, mute, mute, open, second, third. If you bring that a whole step down, which means if you just bring that 2 frets high, it will be a E. Sounds pretty decent over here. From over here, 1 2, and now if you just come over here, it's another different thing, but that's not what we need to learn for the song. Let's have a look at this part. This is A. What we played over here, this is a A coming over here, which is 6th fret on the G string, 5th frets on the high E string, and we like to do some this kind of chords in playing. I'm just gonna break down everything. So just have a look at this basic thing. 6 5 5 for the A major chord, keeping all the E, A, I mean the top E, and the D string major. F sharp minor, D, E. So let's move on to the riff. Have a look at the tab. It goes like this. So it's very simple, basic, just on 2 strings, 2nd fret, 4th fret and all. But the thing is, you start off playing 2nd fret on the G string, you will do down. You will do a down and play the 2nd fret of the G string, but the thing is, you're actually posing it. Firstly, palm mating, having this part of your hand rested in front of the bridge of the guitar. So this is what palm mating is. So make sure you have palm mating. If you have more problem in the palm mating, feel free to drop a comment down below. So we start off playing 2nd fret on the G string, and we play that twice, and this thing is like we're just pressing that, and as soon as we get that sound, we just release that. So so down, down, down. So keep in mind what I'm doing right now. Down, 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 down. Then we come to we play 2nd fret on the G string, down, down, down. Then we play up. We do up, up, down, down. We have the 2nd fret on G string right now, but this time we don't pause. I mean, we don't let that be a bit short. We let that ring. So down, down, down. Now up, up, down, down. By telling up, up, I mean you're working with your right hand. You're going up, up, down, down. So down, 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 up, up, down, down. So then you play 2nd fret on the D, which is a down, then 4th fret on the D, which is a up. Then you come back and you play down, up, down, down, up, down. Everything is palm muted. So down, up, 2nd fret on G string, down, up, down, and let that ring. So we are not pressing that or not releasing the tension. We are letting that stay over there. And after that, we again go. So that's a bit confusing, so make sure you just hear the song, or you can just, I like to play a bit more advanced. We're going to go into that, so let's play from the beginning very slowly. Down, 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 up, up, down, down. So down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down. Up, down, so go. basically what I mean. And now let's move on to the chord progression, the chords and all. So first chord will be a A major, then a F sharp minor, then a D, then a E. And the string pattern which I like to do will be a down, up, down, up, down, into 2 for each chord. So we got down, up, down, up, down. Very simple. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So keep your hand moving like this, not your keep your wrist moving, I'm sorry, not your arm. So you got down, up, down, up, down. Make it a bit flexible. Good. So make sure you hit that high E string and B string with intense. So what you're gonna do is you can just do that twice for each chord. So we'll get one more time. D, D. I'm sorry, it was F sharp minor, but I missed that. Never mind. A major, down, up, down, F sharp minor, D, down, up, down, down, up, down. Move on to E. If you feel hard doing that, or you can just make that a bit more spicy, because I showed you the chords, the bit of music theory and all. You can just do that. So start with the A major chord, up. So, but this time make sure you strum only the G, B, and the high E. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. E. So this is the E. A. Down, up, down, F sharp minor. Down, up, down to a D, to a E, 4-5-4. And that's basically everything for the song. So this helps you out. Make sure to every one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So make sure you just have a little bit of effort in hitting that button. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.